Hello guys, have you heard about the Homegrown Christian online competition organized by Solomon Ayo Foundation? I am Solomon Ayo, the power man behind this vision. It's just a way to contribute our culture to our generation and to bring Christ to the forefront. Are we told to find about it? We have no age limit. Everybody is welcome. The books have been meticulously selected to bless you, to transform your destiny, plus the cash prize that goes along. The first winner goes on with $1,000, the second winner goes on with $750, the third winner goes on with $500. This is not a scam, this is the 6th edition. Eternal God has been faithful. We keep going higher. Registration closes very soon. The competition takes place on the 11th of November, so you're gonna have enough time to read. For more information, check the description box or check out us on our social platforms and you're gonna see everything that you need to know.